Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are reviewing heated soles. So let's go ahead and check this out. So it says cut size, heating area, 1800 mA / 2000. Wow, that's definitely gonna heat really good. So you got your on and off switch, you get a remote. So this is what it looks like. This is the charging cable to charge them. You get a manual. You have a remote to turn them on and off, so if your feet get too hot, you use this remote for on and off. On the back here, you see there's the on and off switch. That's the main on and off switch. And then also you plug it in to charge. So let's see if there's any button. Let's see if we got it powered on. Alright, so here we see there's a blue light that indicates that it's on. Medium, low. So when there's one blue light, that's low. When there's two blue lights, that's medium. When there's three blue lights, that's high. And when you press the power, it goes off, and that means it's off. Press the power again, select your temperature, and you're good to go. We're going to go ahead and charge. Yeah, we're going to have this on. Make sure all the modes are on, and we're going to test it out and see, but this is what it looks like. They have a little weight to them, but not too bad. They're pretty soft. We're just gonna have to test it out. But yeah, to charge it, all you do is you would plug this in right in here, and same with the other one, and plug this into any USB outlet to charge them. So they are definitely getting warm. By the way, guys, I do want to point out that yes, you can charge these with a power bank. So if you're hiking or on the go or camping, you can use a power bank to charge these. Just plug the USB in. And on here, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it, but there's two red lights. That should turn either green, blue, or it will go off once each are charged. So there's two, one for each different sole. Alright guys, after a 3-hour hike, I tested them out. The temperature outside is 40 degrees and they work great. My feet actually got really hot at one point, so I had to turn them off. But yeah, it worked great overall. I'm very happy with them. Make sure you order the correct size for whatever boots, sneakers, whatever you're using. Make sure you measure and do the correct size. But yeah, they work great. I can't wait to go hiking when there's snow out now, and I don't have to worry about my feet actually freezing.